guys, so I'm making my favorite breakfast casserole. It is so good. And so right here what I have cooking is some cut up ham, onion, and green pepper. It's all done cooking, so I turned the heat off and it's just still in the pan right here. And then I went ahead and cooked some sausage. I know this is like kind of gross, but the sausage is super like greasy, and so I have it like tucked away in this little paper towel to collect all the grease. Normally I'll do just ham, but I had just a tiny bit of ham and a little bit of sausage left, so I decided to combine them. I really like making these breakfast casseroles because you can totally customize it to what you want and what you like. And so I just get some frozen hash brown potatoes. This is just the Publix brand. This was actually all they had at the store. They were like all out of like frozen potatoes and stuff like that. So I picked that up, and then of course I have some eggs. I think you're supposed to use, yeah, this one like broke, which is unfortunate, but I think you're supposed to use 4, but I think I'm gonna use 5 today to add an extra egg in there. And then of course to top it off with some cheese. And then these are like the spices I used. I'm not like a huge like spice girl, I don't really know, but I just use pepper and then this onion salt, and I'll put it in with my egg mixture, and then of course some milk. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put all that together and assemble it. This is so easy because then you have breakfast literally for the next like 4 days. So it's so nice, super easy, super convenient, and the prep time is so easy. So I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this together in the casserole dish. So this is what the casserole looks like before I go ahead and put like all the cheese on it. So like as you can see, like all of the layers here. And so then I'm literally just going to top all of this casserole with this cheese. I get it from Trader Joe's. It's like the light shredded 3-blend cheese. It's so good. And so I'm literally just gonna top the entire casserole with this, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven for about an hour, and it just gets so good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so here is my breakfast. It is very carb heavy, but my coworker baked like homemade bread, and I brought it home with me last night from work, and so I wanted to eat it like while it's still like fresh. So I just put a little bit of butter and then just some strawberry jelly on top, and then this is the casserole. So as you can see, like that's like what's in the casserole. So I'm so excited to go ahead and eat this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just top the casserole with some ketchup because I put ketchup literally on everything. So yeah, that is my breakfast, and then I am just drinking it with some water. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So as you guys saw this morning, I already went ahead and made myself some breakfast, and now I'm about to go ahead and run some errands. And so this is the outfit that I'm wearing. I honestly probably don't even need this little coat because it's like 70 degrees in Nashville today. It is such a beautiful day out, and so I just have on my Air Forces, Lululemon Align leggings, this cropped tank from Amazon. Absolutely love it. It is so good. And then I just threw on this jacket from Shein. I hate myself, but I do not feel confident unless I'm tan, and I'm very pale right now. I'm not tanned, so I don't feel like comfortable enough to leave the house without the jacket, which I hate that I'm like that, but you know what, I am. So we're working on it, but I'm about to go run some errands. I'm already working on it a little bit because I would never leave my house without makeup on, but I'm doing that today. So it's all about the little small victories. But I'm going to be going to the bookstore because I want to pick up some books, and then I also am going to go to Sephora because I have to pick up a couple of items there as well. And then I want to get a good workout in later. So it is currently 1 o'clock and I'm doing some laundry right now. So once my laundry is done, I'm gonna head out, and then I want to be back here and like ready to run at 4 o'clock because the sun will be setting at like 5:40. So I want to make sure I have plenty of time to get a good workout in outside because I want to take advantage of how beautiful of a day it is. So yeah, this is my outfit. That is the plan for today. And of course, I will take you guys along with me, but let's go head off. So I'm back from running my errands, so I wanted to do a little mini haul for you guys. And so starting off at the bookstore, I got this book from Colleen Hoover. As you guys know, I love her, and so this one is called Ugly Love, and so I'm excited to read that. And then I've seen this book all over TikTok, and a bunch of people have been saying how much they love this, and so this is called The Love Hypothesis by Allie Hazelwood, and so I'm really excited to read that. So I just picked up these two books. You guys know romance, I love them, so I'm excited to give them a shot. And then I went to Sephora. I needed to get a new Lineage lip sleeping mask. I literally go through these, you guys, like water. I use this so much every single day. I probably reapply this like 10 to 15 times a day. I'm like crazy about this. And so I got the scent Sweet Candy because that is my favorite. So I picked that up. And then I'm also really excited to try this out. So this is also from Lineage, and this is their glowy makeup serum. And so I'm really excited to try this out. I've not really been using primer anymore, but I started using the Sephora collection like brightener serum as like a primer, and I am almost all out of it. And so this is what that product from Sephora looks like, but I'm almost all out of it, and for whatever reason I just like couldn't find it at the store when I went to Sephora. And I remember watching Kathleen Lights, who's like my favorite beauty person here on YouTube, and she raved about this product, and so I'm really excited to try it out and see if I like it. So yeah, that was everything that I picked up at the store. I am going to go ahead and start getting ready to go for a run because now that the weather is finally nice outside, I want to take advantage of that and go for a run. So I'm going to do that and get ready. I'm going to change. I don't think I would ever run in this. I don't know if I want to run in a crop top because yeah, I don't know. I don't think I want to run in a crop top. So I am going to actually change leggings and top because I don't really like running in my Lululemon Align leggings. And that's what I have on right now. And so I'm going to go ahead, get ready for my run and do that. I have some high hopes for this run because you guys, yesterday my run was such a flop because my outfit was just not good, and it was really irritating me on my run because my leggings kept falling down, my shirt kept falling down. It was just like terrible. So I'm manifesting a good run today. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and then put all of this away. I can add my books to my bookshelf, which I'm so excited to do. So yeah, time to get ready for my run. I just got back from my run. My face gets so pink whenever I work out. It's like so embarrassing, which like it shouldn't be, but tell me why I'm embarrassed about it. But I am going to go ahead and shower, and then honestly I'm just going to kind of stay in tonight and read my book, cook a dinner. Nothing too crazy, but I wanted to update the vlog. Alright, so I just got back home from my run and I showered, and then I went ahead and made some dinner. And so this is what my dinner is today. So I just made some pasta, and then I just made some broccoli. And so for the pasta sauce, it is in my fridge, but this was the sauce that I used. This is one of my favorite pasta sauces. It's from Trader Joe's. It's their creamy tomato basil pasta sauce. It is so yummy, so good. Definitely recommend. And so yeah, that is my dinner for tonight. Hello guys, so it is the next day. It is now Sunday and it's actually kind of early-ish. It's 11 a.m. and I'm already in my full glam. I have my outfit on and I'm about to head out. I'm gonna go ahead and walk to 5th and Broadway and go to Elixir Coffee because that place is so good and I want to get their strawberry oat milk latte because I really enjoyed it last time. It was a little weird because it was the first time I ever had oat milk and I don't ever have like any milk substitutes. Like I always have like real milk. So it definitely tasted like a little bit weird, but I want to get that drink again and then I'm going to walk over to Luke Bryan's because one of my friends knows the person that's performing. So I'm doing that. I'm a little nervous because I swear to you guys, every time I go to Broadway, I get sick. Like I just feel like Broadway is just like germ central and I'm tired of getting sick because I just was sick for a full week like a week ago and I don't want to go through that again, but I'm hoping since it's like a very casual thing, there's not going to be that many people there. I'm not going to be like out late, like I'm dressed appropriately because I like to not wear coats and then I get sick because I get cold. So yeah, I'm hoping since it's not like a traditional going out late at night to Broadway, I'm not gonna get sick, fingers crossed. Also, I've been drinking lots of water. I took a ginger shot, so I'm taking all the precautions. But yeah, let me share with you guys the outfit. It's super casual because it is during the daytime. It's not like I'm going out at night, so it's super casual. And so my pink corduroy jacket is from Forever 21 and then I just paired it with this like white tank which is from Lulu's, and then I have on these black jeans from American Eagle and then these white heel booties from Boohoo. I wanted to wear black booties but I need to get a new pair of black shoes because mine are just like falling apart and so I really needed to get a new one. And then I curled my hair. I don't like love it. I need to like figure out how to curl these front pieces better because I never like the face framing pieces when I curl them. I think I just need to curl them a different way. But yeah, so I am about to go head out and walk over there, drink my coffee, and then I'm gonna meet up with my friend at Luke's. So yeah, I'm excited. So it is a lot later. It is about 7 o'clock now and I just got back home. I quickly went to Publix because I had to pick up a couple of things and now I'm honestly gonna go ahead and start cleaning up and like getting ready for bed. It's literally 7 o'clock, but I am just so tired, so exhausted, and so I want to clean up my apartment, get it all ready for the new week. I did laundry over the weekend, so I just want to quickly fold my clothes, put all of that away, and then I'm going to head to bed because your girl is tired. But I figured I would go ahead and end the vlog right here. And so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already and follow me on all my social medias. I will link them down below for you guys and I will see you guys in my next video.